Hello, welcome to the iGlobe CRM demo series. In today's demo, I'm going to show you how the Outlook web interface looks like when operating or working with the iGlobe CRM. Let's take a quick look. We're going to open the mail for Marco de la Cruz. After opening the mail, we're going to click on the inbox and we're going to see that Tom Hanks has sent us an email. Clicking on the email will open up the content of the email on the right side. And as you can see now, that after installing the iGlobe CRM Addin, now I can see all my add-ins from iGlobe. I'm going to use the iGlobe CRM. Clicking on it, I can select now the Outlook CRM. By clicking on it, it opens up a right panel here, right onto the Outlook, that allows me to take a look to see all my information that I have related to Tom Hanks. You can see his email, phone number, mobile, and his address. I can also see all the recent emails, all the notes, and the recent meeting reports, and anything or any opportunities that I might have ongoing with him. I can take a look at Tom Hanks' profile and open it and update it as well. I can take his name, his position as well, email, phone numbers, and even adding private notes. All of these fields on the right can be expanded and added more fields that we have in the full CRM. By saving this information, I can go back into the previous screen and then proceed now to save this email that we just received right into the CRM. We do that by simply clicking on the button here below, Saved on Contact. And then if I wish to change the subject line to be a little bit more indicative of what this is all about, I can go ahead and change it. I could also create a new SSO, which means that I can save this email and automatically create a new opportunity. That will save me extra steps in the CRM after as well. In addition to that, I might also save this email into another contact. Let's say that we have a couple of emails or a couple of recipients of this email, then I may be able to save it into a different contact, which is also very handy. In addition to that, I might also open the entire contact profile on the iGlobe interface. Adding new notes is simple. All you have to do is creating a new note here. You click on this and then you create a note. Or you can create a new opportunity for Tom. Or you can create a new company if you wish. As you can see here, you have a lot of different things you could do right on this interface without having to open the CRM interface. This add-in also works on the Outlook desktop client as well as your phone. If you're using your iPhone or you're using your Android phone and you're using the Outlook mail client. All of those, they all work the same way. Okay, so this is a quick overview of how this interface looks like on the Outlook web client. We hope this is useful, and please stay tuned. We're going to continue on with doing other demos. Bye.